Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside Settings, go to Screen Time and tap it. Set a screen time passcode now so changes require your control. This prevents kids or others from overriding limits. If you use the same Apple ID on multiple devices, enable share across devices so limits apply everywhere. Once done, choose whether this is your device or your child's. Now proceed to App Limits to pick categories and start restricting usage immediately. Tap App Limits and then Add Limit. Pick whole categories like social networking or select individual apps for precision. This is how you control what matters most. Set a daily time allowance and customize which days differ, weekdays versus weekends. Make sure to enable block at end of limit if you want the app to lock instead of just warning you. Once configured, review downtime and always allowed so essential apps remain accessible when needed. Finish by checking downtime to schedule full device breaks and always allowed to exempt phone or educational apps. Test a limit by using an app until it hits the cap. If it doesn't, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or toggle share across devices off and on. If you forget the screen time passcode, reset it using your Apple ID recovery option in Screen Time settings. This completes the setup and handles the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.